Hello guys, another package here. Let's check this out. I've been ordering as of late a lot of these Alexa app things. This time what I ordered was a smart plug using the Alexa Echo, which I use by telling Alexa to order me a smart plug. Which if you order this the regular way, you get it for like $25. But if you use the Alexa Echo 3, I ask her to order it, you get it for $5, which you get $20 off. I really don't know what I'm gonna use this for yet, but more likely for Christmas. I'll do something with this for Christmas, like the Christmas trees or something. I don't know. The button, power. That's a pretty big brick. Now imagine you got this for only $5. The Amazon logo right there. Now I'm not gonna show. I might do a second part with me showing how I'm using this, but I'll probably do it once the Christmas tree is up, since I don't have it up right now. So until next time. Well, actually, let me show you what's in the box. I just was about to tell you guys. Okay. Amazon Spark Plug works with Alexa. Add voice control to any outlet. Schedule light, fans, appliance, turn on, turn off, automatically control them remotely when you're away. Simply to set up and use. Plug in, open Alexa, and get started. Is there anything else? Nope. Got smart plug. I have a setup and the manual, which I'm not gonna read. Who reads manuals, right? Well, till next time. Peace out.